In this age, when we hear such unsympathetic remarks about the decadence of sport, it is very satisfactory to find so many Englishmen taking a fairly sympathetic interest in the university boat race, the premier English sporting event, and it is questionable whether any other event in this past times of the world touches so universally the great heart of the public in England and abroad, full stop. All classes of society take a very keen interest in the race before the day of the event, and it is this universality that unquestionably shows that the race is associated with nothing objectionable, full stop. The same cannot be said of some other forms of sport which contain the minimum of sport rally, but the maximum of elements which are undesirable, full stop. An investigation would frequently prove the utter falsification of the meaning of the word sport, full stop. If the newspaper is an index of public interest, then surely all must acknowledge that the training of the two crews is a matter of interest to Englishmen throughout the universe, full stop. At this time, men discuss with knowledge the merits or demerits of various forms of diet, and with an intelligence which all intelligent people should accept as an acknowledgement of the extreme interest taken in the various doctrines advocated by food reformers, full stop, close.